Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your pop-ups for your new WordPress website. This plugin has quite a lot of features and we're going to go through them one by one in order to create a demonstration of a pop-up. First of all, I'm going to choose where to place the pop-up and what size should it have. So I want it to be fixed and on the bottom, and I want to have it right on the bottom, so I want it to be 0 pixels from the bottom, and on the left I don't want any offset. For the size of the pop-up I want to have 200 pixels, no, 100 pixels, no, in width I want to have the entire screen, because I can choose between pixels and percentage, and in height I want to have only 100%, 100 pixels. Okay, opacity, I'm just going to leave it to 0.5. Open effect, I want it to fade in about 1200 milliseconds, and I want it to fade out also in about 1200 milliseconds. I want it to appear on the screen about 1 second after the page is loaded. This is the smart display settings. There are quite a lot of features here, but in this kind of demonstration I can't really show you everything. I'm just going to have selected the display to unregistered user and registered users. There are a lot of features here and you can select who to display the pop-up to. Next is the close button. I'm going to choose this button and I want it to be positioned on the top right, and I want to have some offset there, but let's say 4 pixels from the top and 6 pixels from the right. And also I want to disable click out and the escape key. What this does is it will not close the pop-up when you press the escape key or you click outside of the pop-up. Now for the content box, I want to choose a background that will be very well used with the images that I'm going to use, but I'm going to show that later to you so you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go to the content. For the content options, we have 3 types of content: HTML, iframe, and videos. For videos you just use the YouTube ID or URL. For the iframe you just use the iframe, the URL, and for the HTML you can use the code. Now, because I'm a developer, I really like to use the view source of this editor, and I'm going to do just that. And I know exactly what images I'm going to use. For this pop-up I want to have an advertisement to buy this plugin, so I'm going to put in a link to an image of Code Canyon and the buy now button. So these are the images. Now I know that the Code Canyon button image needs to be on the left and the buy now needs to be on the right, so let's save. Now I know this pop-up has this shortcode, which I have already included in this page, so let me show you guys. This is the page. It's just another lorem ipsum page for the demonstration, and you can see this is the shortcode I have already included here. Let's refresh this page and see what happens. Okay, so after 1 second you can see the pop-up just got in, and if I click here outside of the pop-up it won't close. Now you see that the background is not yet set, because I wanted to set a background that will merge very well with these images. So let's get back in the edit options and set a proper background image. Okay, so for the content box, the background image, I already have uploaded the image for this particular one, so it's an image of 2 pixels by 100. The 100 pixel height is the same as the pop-up, and I want this image to repeat on the vertical. The rest of the settings I'll just leave as they are. So let's update and see what's going on. I'm going to refresh the page, and after 1 second, okay, so this looks much better. Now you see this buy now button is quite not well placed, and also the Code Canyon image, there is some sort of margin there, and we're going to modify the code a bit. So we have these paragraphs that are automatically inserted by the rich text editor, and let's say a style of margin 0 pixels. Let's see what's going to happen now. Yeah, okay, so that's much better. Now, because I want this to be a button, let's add a link to it and go in the source. So this is the image with the buy now. So for now I'm going to just leave it to hash target, let's say blank, and I'm going to close the link tag. Okay, update. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so it opens a new page. Yeah. Now the only way you can close this is to use the close button. Okay, so there you go. This is a very simple example. Now also in the background, in the back office section, you can see the plugin will count the number of visits and visitors, because I refreshed this page several times. There are several visits and only one visitor. If you don't want to change these numbers before you publish the plugin, you can use the preview function in the back office. So there you go. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.